Okay guys, so I just bought a new addition to the vehicle, which is a 36 liter 12 volt dual fridge from Brass Monkey. It is currently on sale on Black Friday, so yeah, couldn't pass up the deal. It's half price, and I was looking for a fridge for quite some time, but couldn't justify the price itself. But today is the day. It is dirt cheap for what it is, and yeah, this is my first impression. So unboxing the fridge is pretty straightforward. These are inside here, and yeah, what I do like about this fridges are it's got the wall socket or the wall plug-in for household, and you've got the 12 volt plug where you put into your cigarette lighter, and away you go. And yeah, first impression, it doesn't have hinges. It's just you just have to pop this open. Yeah, so look at that. It's fairly tight, and I'll do this by one hand. And there you go. It does look flimsy on this side, like I would have make a support maybe where it'll just stay like this in the vehicle. But yeah, I've chosen the 36 liter fridge over the 50. I was about to go for the 50, but I'm also considering the space of the fridge for the vehicle. And view on top, you've got the fridge and the freezer. That's what we call dual zone. So there's a divider here. And if you remove this one, I believe once you remove this one, the setting, it will automatically go into a fridge setting. So let's fire this one up and see how it goes. So we got it running. It's pretty straightforward. Wall socket to the fridge, and you've got the menu here. It does cool down fairly quickly. It's 10 minutes running or so. And from 22 degrees to -3 on the freezer side, that L shape there, and the square shape is for the fridge side. And yeah, from 22 degrees to 1. And noise wise, if you recognize this one, I don't know if you guys have used this one before as well. I used this thermo cooler for day trips, and I could definitely tell the Brass Monkey is definitely quieter. And let's open it up and feel. Yeah, it's nice and tight. Oh yeah, so you can't feel it on the video, but I did feel the cold going out, and yeah, it is nice and cool. And yeah, that's about it. So I almost forgot as well to mention that you've got a Bluetooth app for this one, where you can have it on your phone and adjust the setting while you're driving. You don't have to stop the car and go and then adjust the temperature as you want it. And this one here, so you got this for wheeling it. But what I did appreciate on this one is that it is magnetized, so this doesn't rattle on you while you're driving. So yeah, that's a nice addition to it, like a simple design, but yeah, that's great. So we'll be wiring up this one. It will be on the next video when we wire this to the car. And yeah, so far so good. I'm pretty happy. So if you guys are looking for a fridge, whether it's a 50 liter or a 36 liter one, this is good for summer. So just buy one. And yeah, thank you for watching. Until next time guys, see ya.